Hi everyone, I want to tell you all about the launch of the Spring Seasons Club. Now, you may already be a subscriber, so this is no surprise to you, but if you haven't heard of our Seasons Club before, I want to tell you all about it. It's a club we launched last autumn and it opens up every single quarter for a new season. So now on the 1st of March, the Spring Seasons is launched. What you get in the club is you get some really special yarn for the club, you get patterns that use the yarn, you get some seasonal tea, and you get some other goodies. On top of that, from a digital content point of view, with the patterns, you're going to get access to a full video series that will show you how to work through all of the patterns. You're going to get a recipe that's done by Evan O'Keefe, special seasonal recipe, and we're going to have a Zoom launch party and an exclusive community. So for the spring seasons, we've got some very special Life in the Long Grass yarn in the earth base. Now this is a company that I've wanted to work with for quite a while. They're very local to me. They're just in West Cork, about half an hour from where I live. And they do some really, really nice yarns. So the base we've picked for the spring season is their fingering weight earth yarn. And it comes in, it's a blend of merino, yak and linen. Again, the yak being similar to our newer yarn creates a really rustic muted tones. And they created 3 beautiful green colors for the season. So we have, this is our subtle option. This is the seasonal option. And this is the bright option. So you can pick whichever one you want when you jump in. If you want to join us, you can either opt to just get a single season, or if you subscribe, you'll get 5% off and then you'll be on an auto enroll every season. You can of course change going forward if you decide to pause or you want to cancel your subscription. But that way you know that you'll be the first in the gates with the first options for the colors for the next season. So come and join us this spring.